Have you ever found yourself stuck in a loop of did they get my message or did they understand what I meant? If so, congratulations, you've experienced a real-world version of the two generals problem, a conundrum that has baffled computer scientists for decades. The two generals problem is a thought experiment that explores the challenges of communication and agreement over an unreliable medium. Picture two generals, each leading their own army. They're planning to attack a common enemy, but there's a catch. They're stationed on two different hills, with the enemy in the valley between them. They need to coordinate their attack to happen at the same time for it to be successful, but there's no reliable way for them to communicate. They could send a messenger. But what if the messenger gets caught by the enemy? How can the sending general be sure that the other general received the message? He could send another messenger asking for confirmation, but then how can he be sure that the confirmation was received? As you can see, this can quickly spiral into an endless loop of uncertainties. This problem illustrates a fundamental issue in computer science, especially in distributed systems where components need to communicate over a network. It's not just about getting a message from point A to point B, it's about ensuring that both points A and B have a consistent understanding of the information being shared. Firstly, perfect communication over an unreliable medium is impossible. There will always be uncertainty and room for error. This is a fact we must accept when dealing with distributed systems, whether it's two generals trying to coordinate an attack or two servers trying to synchronize data. Secondly, the two generals problem highlights the importance of consensus in distributed systems. Consensus means that all components of the system agree on a certain state or decision. Achieving consensus, however, is a complex task due to the inherent unreliability of communication mediums. Lastly, this problem emphasizes the need for mechanisms that can handle potential failures in communication. These could be redundancies, error checks, or other strategies designed to ensure that the system can still function even when things go wrong. In a nutshell, the two generals problem is a timeless illustration of the challenges in communication and consensus in distributed systems. It's a reminder that even in a world increasingly driven by technology and data, the fundamentals of communication remain a complex and fascinating field of study.